Hello everyone, this is Prashant Tripathi and this is Tripathi Brothers channel, and in this tutorial we will learn about what is DNS and DNS records host tool. We will try to demonstrate the theoretical part using the host tool. The theoretical part will be covered in DNS and DNS records, and in host tool we will demonstrate how we can fetch the DNS records of any domain name. Okay, so let's try to understand what is DNS. Suppose I am sitting here and I am trying to fetch amazon.com. So I type in my browser amazon.com. So the request will go to DNS server. The DNS server will respond back with the IP address of that domain name, and the browser will get the IP address, and the IP, then it will locate the IP address. It will make HTTP request and HTTP response will be made by server. Okay, so what is DNS? DNS is like a DNS is like contact name and number directory. So in a mobile or in a smartphone, how you write the contact number? You write the name like Max and the number like something like this, and so it will be very difficult to remember the mobile number of every person. Suppose like this, you have lots and lots of mobile numbers. Okay, Shan. Okay, so like this you have lots and lots of, you have hundreds and thousands of numbers, so it will be very difficult to remember all those numbers. So contact book or phone book is provided for the purpose to save all the contact numbers using a name. So DNS directory or DNS server is like this. Every domain name will have an IP address. Okay, every domain name will have an IP address, like Tripathi Brothers.com will also have some IP address like 78.333.4.9. okay, so this will be an IP address. If I say you to remember every website's IP address, so it will be very difficult to remember all those IP addresses. So so for this purpose, domain name servers are made to register every IP address or to assign a domain name for every IP address. So it will be very easier to remember the address of an server or of an website. Okay, so what are the DNS records type? First is SOA, start of authority, NS, name server, A, IP version 4, MX, mail exchange record, PTR, pointer record, AAA, IP version 6. CNAME we will not use here. CNAME. These are the most important records. Okay, DNS records. Start of authority. So what is a start of authority? It is a type of resource record used by DNS. Every domain has a SAO. Okay, every domain has an start of authority record. So DNS server will use that SOA or start of authority record to fetch the information about the domain name. Basically, SOA has the basic properties about any domain name and the zone. start of authority will contain the serial number of the domain name, and obviously the email address and the name server records. Everything will be stored in, near about everything will be stored in SOA start of authority record. So in many times it is not possible to get the SOA record, because many domain names are hiding their SOA record for the security purpose. Next is name server. In the previous tutorial we tried to gather information using Whois tool, and while using Whois tool you will get the information about the NS record or name server record. Next is IP version 4. A record is IP version 4 data. Okay, and next is mail exchange record or MX record. Next is pointer record, and 4A IP version 6. Now we will try to fetch the information using host tool. Okay, clear the terminal and type host google.com like I am doing here. So we are getting here the address of the Google. We are getting we got the IP version 6 address. We got the mail server records here. Okay, so I copied and pasted the same thing here. So google.com has an address. This is a record. I already told this is IP version 4 record. Google.com has IP version 6 address. This is 4A record. Okay, and like this, these are the mail server records. Okay, these are the mail exchange records of Google. Okay, so we did not discuss a pointer record, so let's try to understand what is pointer record. When you type host and then you type domain name, then it is called forward DNS lookup. Okay, what is called forward DNS lookup. But when you type host and then IP address, like I am trying to fetch the information of the Google public DNS server, so I am getting here the domain name of the Google public DNS server. Okay, here what I am getting 4488 in-address.arpa domain name pointer this public DNS.google.com. Okay, so this is reverse DNS lookup. We will get the host name of the or the domain name or the name server. If we enter the IP address of a name server, we will get the name server of the IP address, or if we enter the IP address of a domain name, so it will return the domain name of that IP address. Okay, so in this tutorial we covered some of the important topics like DNS record and host tool. In the upcoming tutorials we will try to understand what is DNS zone transfer, DIG, DNSNM, Fear, Dimerty and Maltego, and lots of tutorial like Google hacking will also be covered. I will try to cover deeply about Google hacking. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. See you in next lecture. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.